Hello. My name is Naiman Nasruddin, and we are from MBA 119 1B. My other teammates is Abdul Azim bin Zulkifli. The last one is Nur Muhammad Aidil bin Jifli. Puan Rani Zinta is about to retire. She has two options. First option is to take the gratuity of 1,850,000 ringgit and invest the entire sum in an account paying 4% compounded monthly and receive 9,500 each month until the account is empty. Another option is to join a private retirement plan, which she will receive 9,500 ringgit per month for 25 years. So, question is, which option should Puan Rani Zinta choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculation. Option 1. We use the annuity formula like A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative n over I close the bracket. So we got the A is 1,850,000 ringgit and the R is 9,500. So I is 0.04 over 12, which is 4% compounded monthly. So 1,850,000 equal to 9,500 bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 12 close the bracket power of negative n over 0.04 over 12 close the bracket. So we got the answer is negative 0.35088 equal to negative 1.00333 power by negative n. So in this case, we have to use log to find the n. So log 0.35088 equal to negative n log 1.00333. So we got a negative n equal to negative 315. So if we want to remove the negative, we just cut the negative from the both side. So we got n equal to 315. Thank you. For the option 2 is R is 9,500 ringgit. So n is 25 years times 12 because in months. So we got 300. So if we want to find S, we need to R times n. So R 9,500 ringgit times 300. So we got answer 2,850,000 ringgit. Thank you. So the option that must Puan Rani Zinta choose is option 2 because the future value is higher than option 1.
Okay, I will continue the next question. B. After receiving her gratuity money, Puan Rani Zinta also thinking of buying a new motorcycle for her son through an installment plan by making a down payment of 20%, followed by 40x equal monthly payment. She anticipated the motorcycle to cost her 2,843 and the interest charge is 3.8% compounded monthly. Okay, calculate the period payment and the total interest charge. Okay, so in this question, we will use the formula A equals to R, open bracket, 1 negative, open bracket, 1 plus I, close the bracket, power negative n over I, close the bracket. Okay, in this question, we get the down payments equals 0.20. We got the C equals to 2,843. I equals to 1.038 over 12 and N equals to 48. Okay. A equals to 2,843 minus open bracket 2,843 times 0.20 close the bracket. Okay, we will get 2,843 minus 4,168.60. We will get the answer when we minus it 6,674.40. Okay, after that we will find the R. 6,674.40 equals R, open bracket, 1 plus, open bracket, equals R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.038 over 12, close the bracket, power, negative 48 over 0.038 over 12. We will get the answer 6,674.40 equals to R, bracket 444.464x6. The answer will get R equal to 375. Okay, so next we will calculate the total interest charge. Total interest charge equals to R xn minus A. After that, we total interest charge equals to, open bracket, 375 times 48, close the bracket, minus 16674.40 equals 8,000 minus 16678.40. The answer we will get a RM 1335.60.
For the question C, if she failed to make the first two payments, how much should she pay on the third payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? We can use this formula, A equal R, open bracket 1 minus, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, power negative n, A over I. The R is 375, N is 3, and I 0.038 over 12. For this, we can use formula S equal R, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power n, negative 1 over I. And we can we can in this number, and then S equal 375, open bracket, 1 plus 0.038 over 12 power 3 minus 1 over 0.038 over 12, and we can get 375, open bracket, 3.00951, and the answer it will be 1128.57.
Okay, we will move to question D. After paying for 25 years, Puan Rani Zita plans to settle the loan in the full when the next payment is due. Calculate the total amount that needs to pay. Okay, we in this question, we have to use the formula A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close the bracket, power negative n over I, close the bracket. Okay, in this question, we get the R equals to 375 ringgit, M equals to 12, N equals to MT, N equals 12 times 2.5, N equals to 30, I equals to 0.038 over 12. Okay. After that, A equals to RM 375 equals to 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.038 over 12 power negative 30 over 0.038 over 12. We will get the answer A equals to 375 bracket 28.57597, close the bracket. After that, we will calculate and get this A equals to RM 10,700, A equals to RM 10,715.99. After that, the total interest paid and R minus A equals to 30, open bracket, 375, close the bracket, minus 10715.99. We will get the answer equals to 11250 minus 1 equals 11250 minus 10715.99. The answer we will get equals 534.01.
Okay, we move to the next question. E. After 1 year of retirement, Puan Rani Zinta was thinking about starting a small food truck business selling coffee. She looked up the cost for a coffee truck online and got quotes from 2 different manufacturers. First is Mercedes, giving the trade discount is 10.32%, and the list price is 95,600 ringgit. The second one is Bayern, given the trade discount 11.25%. The list price is 98 ringgit and 98,428 ringgit. So the question is, which manufacturer should Puan Rani Zinta choose? Justify your answer and provide calculation. First, we take a look at Mercedes. So the list price is 95,600 ringgit. Okay, so the trade discount is 10.32%. So we change it to percentage. So 10.32 over 100. 10.32 over 100. 10.32 over 100 times 95,600 ringgit. So we get answer 9,865.62 ringgit. So the next is we need to find the net price. Okay, formula for the net price is net price equal to list price minus trade discount. Okay, so the list price is 95,600 ringgit and minus the answer that we get, which is 9,865 ringgit 92 cent. So we get answer is 85,734 ringgit 8 cent. So the net price is list price minus trade discount. So another option is Bayern. The list price given is 98,428 ringgit. So trade discount given is 11.25%. So we change it to the percentage. 11.25 over 100 times 98,428 ringgit. So we get answer is 11,073.15 ringgit. So for the next step is find the net price. The net price formula is net price. Net price equal to list price minus trade discount. So we got list price is 98,428 ringgit minus the trade discount that we already found, which is 11,073 ringgit 15 cent. So we got answer is 87,354 ringgit 85 cents. So which manufacturer should Puan Rani Zinta choose is Puan Rani Zinta must choose Bayern because the net price are higher than Mercedes.
Okay, we will continue to question F. On 1st June 2023, Puan Rani Zinta received an invoice and the list price of the coffee beans bought as follows: Arabica 350.20, Robusta 350.20, Excelsa 289 ringgit, Liberica 305.00. Transportation fee was 250 ringgit. The trade discount offered by the wholesaler were 50%, 8%, and the cash discount terms were 7/10, 3/10, and 9/30. Find the single discount that is equivalent to the trade discount given. Okay, list price equals to 1,396 ringgit minus 250. We will get the answer 1146. Okay, D1 equals to 0.05, D2 equals to 0.08, D3 equals to 0.11. Okay, we will move to the next. R equals to 1 minus open bracket 1 minus R1 times 1 minus R2 times 1 minus R3. R equals to 1 minus open bracket 1 minus 0.05 times 1 minus 0.08 times 1 minus 0.11. We will get the answer R equals to 1 minus open bracket 0.777 x6. The answer we will get is R equals to 22.21%.
Next question for G, trade discount offer. We use formula NP equal L, open bracket 1 minus R1, close bracket, open bracket 1 minus R2, and new bracket 1 minus R3. And next we put the number 1146, open bracket 1 minus 0.05, close bracket, open bracket 1 minus 0.08 close bracket open bracket 1 minus 0.11 close bracket, and then we will get in the back bracket 1146 open bracket 0.7778 close bracket. And next, net price, we will get 891.43 plus 2504 for transportation, and we will get 1141.43. And next, for trade discount, we use list price minus net price, and then list price 1146 minus net price that we get 1141.43. And then for question H, explain the cash discount terms 7/10, 3/20, and n/30. If Puan Rani paid within 10 June, she get cash discount 7%. However, if she paid within 20 June, she get cash discount 3%. And if she paid within 30 June, she will get 0%.
Alright, so for next question is question I. The question is cash discount offered if the invoice is paid on 21st June 2023. Right, the cash discount offer is we think is 0% because the term that she paid is above 20, which is based on the question that the term is 3. If she paid before 20, she get 3%, but she paid 21 1st June. That means that she paid above that time, so she don't get the 3%. Instead, she get 0%. So the last one is the net payment. The question is the net payment if the invoice is paid on 23rd June 2023. Alright, 23rd June is including in discount terms that above 20, which is n/30. Right, n/30 is equal to 0%. So the formula is NPT equal to L bracket 1 minus DC close bracket. So L is 1146. So bracket 1 minus 0 over 100 close bracket. So we get 1146 ringgit. So she only get 1146 ringgit if she paid the invoice in 23rd June 2023. So that's all for our group that has explained all the questions. So that the end of the section. So I hope that we give a good explanation and a good answer to provide our calculation. Thank you.